If you offer consultations, then you've probably got a setup that looks something like this: a scheduling tool, a payment processor, and something to connect them all together. And then your email marketing tool lives completely separately from all of it. You shouldn't need 4 separate tools to run what is essentially one workflow: book a call, collect payment, send a confirmation, follow up. That whole process now lives inside MailerLite. You can create one-to-one bookings for things like consultations, coaching calls, and more. Group calls, think webinars, live courses, and either session type can be free or paid. So you can take a discovery call and onboard your paid clients too. Let's get you set up. Before we get started, you'll need to make sure that your MailerLite account is connected to Stripe for payments. If not, head over to the integrations page to get that set up, since it's required to take bookings. Inside your MailerLite account, head over to the products section. Bookings lives here alongside your other digital products, and they count toward the same product limits on your plan. Click Bookings to create a new booking. We're going to create our discovery call. Click Create Service to get started. You'll want to give it a clear name that your potential client will immediately understand. Free discovery call works here. Just make sure that you pick something simple that fits your brand. Go ahead and add a short description that will show up on your bookings page, and then set the duration of your meeting by adding the duration. For price, click the free toggle if you would like to accept bookings without taking payments. Otherwise, simply enter a price, the currency, and any discount that you may be offering. Next, connecting your calendar. You can sync with Google Calendar, Microsoft Outlook, or an external calendar provider like Calendly. For call location, you can select the option that best meets how you want to handle these. We'll set ours to Google Meet. Make sure that you also set the meeting time zone for where you are so that users are able to book a time that matches your time zone. Once connected, MailerLite checks your real availability and blocks off times that are already booked so you can avoid double bookings, and you don't have to manually update 2 places. Set the meeting type to either one-on-one or group sessions. For now, we're going to stick with our one-on-one session. You can also set buffers in between meetings so you don't have back-to-back bookings, and you can set a minimum notice period so that you aren't caught by surprise if someone books another call with you, giving you time to prepare properly for the meeting. And you can also cap how far in advance someone can book. So if you don't want to call on your calendar 4 months from now, you can set that limit here. Whatever you choose shows up automatically in the booking confirmation and the calendar invite that your client receives. They'll know exactly how to join before you ever have to tell them. And then for action after checkout, you'll need to select which group you want to add customers to after they schedule your booking. You can also remove them from a group or update a custom field. For now, we're going to leave it to Add to Group. We're going to create a new group and call it Free Discovery Call. Don't forget to add a product image if you have one. This is what they're going to see in this little product preview. They'll have an actual image for what this product looks like. So go ahead and select something that is on brand for your product and your meeting. Once you hit continue, you'll be able to design your checkout experience. You can add your logo and give the checkout form a title, edit your Book Now button text, and enter which fields you want to collect. By default, email is entered, but you can also get info like name or city, and you can also add an opt-in to receive news and updates so you can send them campaigns in the future, enable more payment methods, automatically send receipts via Stripe, etc. Above, next to the Checkout tab, you can select Order Confirmation. Over here, you can customize what the order confirmation page looks like, including the title that they get after they're done, and then you can also edit the description if you'd like. There's also a little scheduled for text above the Done button that will show the date and time that they have scheduled for. You can select to show or hide that text. Once everything looks good, then hit continue. Once everything is set up, MailerLite will give you a shareable link for each booking that you create. You can promote this booking in campaigns, in sites, and in automations. You can use this booking in your campaigns and landing pages with the products block, share the link on social media, your website, or anywhere that you want people to be able to schedule with you. You can link to it. This is a quick way to create a campaign containing your product, landing page, or an automation if you want to create a dedicated funnel for your booking. And these all work whether they're free or a paid product. All right, now that you've created your booking, you might want to promote them in your landing page or your campaigns. So let's go over that real quick. For this, we're assuming that you're already familiar with our drag and drop builders, but if not, check out these videos to learn more about building campaigns or landing pages. Let's start with campaigns. In the drag and drop editor, Drag the Import from Stores block from the Products section in the left sidebar. Click into the block and select Add Products from your store. If you've got multiple stores connected, make sure to select the MailerLite one, since that's where the bookings are created. You'll see tabs for All Products, Digital Products, and Bookings. Select your booking and select Add Products. You'll see the product image appear in your campaign builder, and then on the right, you can adjust things like padding, image width, and details that you'd like to display, and more. Once you're finished, continue editing as you normally would, and then hit Done Editing. On the Send and Schedule page, make sure you select Track Links so you can track booking metrics in your campaign analytics. Landing pages are pretty similar. We'll start in the landing page builder. On the left, drag in the Products block from the Special section. Then, just as within the campaign builder, select Add Products from your store, make sure your store is selected, and then select your product, and then select Add Products. From there, once again, select how you'd like the block to display, and once you're finished, continue editing as you normally would, and then hit Done Editing. Any bookings that you receive through the landing page will show up on the Orders tab on the landing page details. So that's MailerLite Bookings, free and paid consultations, availability management, client intake, payment processing, and email automation, all without leaving your MailerLite account. If you've been running your consulting or coaching practice from a stack of tools glued together, then this is the version where you don't have to anymore. If you have any questions about this feature, drop them in the comments below, and as always, remember to like and subscribe for more of the best tips in email marketing.